This is how I turned one of my most boring layovers into a luxury experience for just $40 in Addis Ababa airport. On my second leg flying from Addis Ababa to Accra, I had a 6-hour layover and I was thinking about how to go about it. My very first long layover was at Addis Ababa airport and I was checked into their Skylight hotel. However, this time around it's just 6 hours, so I have to be at the airport. Right after security, I headed straight to the Plaza Premium Lounge with my voucher from Get Your Guide. At the front desk, I showed my boarding pass and voucher and I was let in. I had 3 hours to spend in the lounge. Well, however, I stayed a little longer than that. I got $10 off from the original $49 pricing. First things first, I head to the shower room. My shower experience wasn't so bad, however. The good part was I could take a well-deserved hot refreshing bath, which I wouldn't get in any other airport. The bathhouse, however, isn't so big to fit a lot of things. I had my little amenity kit from Brussels Airlines where I get my shampoos, cleansers, etc. and they actually came in handy. The downside to using the lounge is that it gets crowded during peak hours, so you have to wait for an empty seat. Not long after, I got a seat and served myself some tea, food, drinks and desserts. The voucher actually gives you access to unlimited food and drinks and water, and for that it's worth the price. Plaza Premium has lounges in Jomo Kenyatta Airport and Royal Tambo in South Africa, and I'm not so sure about other airports. After a while, the lounge started getting empty and I couldn't stay for much longer. The Wi-Fi sadly wasn't fast. After spending close to 5 hours in the lounge, I left to my gate area for my flight back to Accra. So, if you are flying through Addis Ababa anytime soon, head to the description below and use my discounted voucher for your luxury lounge experience. Don't waste time at your gate looking to the airport ceiling. If you love this video, please like and share.